Today, I ended up purchasing the hologram emblem for the door light. It came in the mail. I ordered it on a Saturday. It came on a Sunday. I ordered it on Amazon. The link is going to be in the description below. Basically, it just came in a package. This is how it is. We're going to open it up for the first time, and I'm going to show you guys how to install it. So the box doesn't really say too much. We open it up. It's packaged pretty well. Has this nice bagging for it. Easy to open. And inside we got two hologram lights. Now these actually go underneath the door. I'll show you here in a second. And I believe this gets plugged in this way. We're going to wait for it last. We want to make sure that the plug doesn't automatically plug in there. But yeah, check this puppy out. Alright, so first I just got this little tool here. I always forget what the name of it is. But there's actually a little opening right here if you can see it. Pull that down and this comes out. Let's see if we could unplug this. But there's actually a little opening right here if you can see it. Pull that down and this comes out. Let's see if we could unplug this. It's a little tight. Hold on. Here's the hologram light. It actually plugs into the same cable, so that attachment cable that came with it, I believe it's just probably like an extra or an extension, but you really don't need it as long as it matches up. Alright guys, so I got this off now, and it was actually, I just had to use two hands and pull it off. I was able to take this off. Here's the hologram light. It actually plugs into the same cable, so that attachment cable that came with it, I believe it's just probably like an extra or an extension, but you really don't need it as long as it matches up. Alright guys, I went ahead and plugged this in already. There are like two little tabs in here, a little piece of plastic. I just had to shave it down, and then this basically just pops right back in, and now you're set. And there you have it guys. Nice emblem. Let's see how it looks in the dark. Look at that. Alright, here we go. Open the door. There's the logo. Looks pretty good to me. It's a fairly easy job. The parts were cheap, and it was only, I would say, less than a minute to put in. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the second door. The link is below where I got this off of Amazon. They do have them for other cars. Do check your car to make sure that you do have the insert for the light underneath the door, or you just be wasting your time. Subscribe, like, and check us on Instagram and Twitter.